To create a menu, navigate to Appearances and then Menus. To create a new menu, simply click Create a New Menu and give your menu a name such as Main Menu. From the left-hand column, you can select any item you wish to add to your menu. These could be pages, post categories, individual posts, or custom links. Now, as all of your published pages and post categories will appear here, you'll first need to add pages and categories before creating your menus. To add an item to the menu, just select the items you wish to add and click Add to Menu. They will now populate in the right column. You can easily rearrange your menu items by dragging and dropping them in any order you like. You can also create a submenu by dragging a menu item underneath and a little to the right. WordPress will then snap the item in place as a submenu item. You also have the ability to add custom links to your menus. This could be any URL you wish. Just remember to include the full link starting with HTTP. WordPress automatically uses the page title or category name as the link text, but you can change this easily by clicking on the arrow to expand the item's settings and renaming the menu item. In some cases, when creating a submenu, you might like the label menu not to be clickable, but instead choose from the submenu items. To create a menu item without linking to a page, just add a custom link. In the URL field, enter the hash symbol, and then in the title field, add the name of your submenu. Once done, click on the Add to Menu button. Then save your menu. Now go back to that item and delete the hash symbol from the URL field, and then save your menu. This will create a menu item without a link. After adding pages to the menu, select the theme location where you'd like to display the menu and click the Save Menu button. In cases where your menu isn't displaying on your website, go back to the menu screen and check that you have ticked to display the menu item. Aside from the designated menu locations set by your theme, you can also add menus to other widget areas, such as a sidebar or your footer. To create these, first create a new menu, naming it something you can remember, such as Sidebar Menu. Once you've saved the menu, navigate to Appearances and then Widgets. Find the custom menu widget from the list on the left and drag it to your preferred location. Then configure the widget by choosing a title and select which menu to display, then save. Your menu will now display in that area.